Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones SHOKZ OpenMove. And the first one, when you listen to music or watching a movie or some video, you don't need to use your phone to control the music. You can use controls. Right here at the right headphone we have volume up and volume down button, so you can increase or lower the volume. And at the left headphone we have multifunctional button. You can play or pause the song or the movie. You can play next track or next video or previous one just with this control. Next one, these headphones haven't application, but still you can swap between equalizer presets. And these headphones offer two presets for you. It's a standard mode, and by default it uses this mode, and I recommend it to use it when you listen to music. But if you these headphones also have the second preset, what calls like vocal booster mode, and I recommend it to use this preset if you want to listen a podcast or audiobook. How to switch between them? To switch you need to play some song, and after that you just press and hold at the volume up and volume down button, and you will hear a voice prompt that it swapped to another preset. Next one. These headphones support dual connection, so you can add two devices to your headphones at the same time without disconnected, without in pair. And I guess it's a good one. You can use a phone and a laptop, let's say, or two phones. It's up to you. Also, I tested microphone on these headphones, and these headphones offer really good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke softly and normally. And also, these headphones do not mute street sounds, but still I hear my own voice clear. If you have some trouble with your headphones, you can easily perform hard reset. You just turn off your headphones by pressing the power button. Then you enter to pairing mode and you press at the same time volume up button, volume down button and multifunctional button. And you can fix with it a lot of trouble with your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.